After that, plot it nicely. Okay, we go to next. Okay, this is Lydia's answer. How she get this answer? Y, when x is 0, then the y is 1. Lydia, how you press a calculator? Lydia got mine or not? Oh. On your mic lah. Talk is easier. Lydia, oh.
Yes.
Okay, right? How you get when x is 0, y is 1, right?
Yeah.
Now you take calculator, press and see. X is 0, 3 times 0 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. So sin 0 is what?
Zero.
If let's say the first one you make mistake, no more. Others also I think you make mistake so that you see your graph is so smooth. So I don't know how you get all the point are wrong. How you get that? Okay, and then I'm not sure about the pi over 6 or this. I would prefer you use the degree. Okay, when you press calculator, maybe you are using pi over 6, but you didn't change your calculator into a radian mode. Use degree. But here, if the questions give you the range in pi, in a radian form, then here you write in pi. That's all only. But when you press calculator, don't use the one in pi. For me I don't like If you are okay with it, then no problem. Again, I say already, why got negative? The question is from 0 to 2 pi. You are copying your textbook or what? I don't know. Okay. This one you got no table. See? So how you do? Okay. I think that's all only. You only handing two graph. Okay. If follow my method, I think no problem actually. I don't know why. You all didn't do revision or what? Okay, next Shahira. Okay, Shahira, definitely this question she didn't use a table. Okay, she tried to from the original one transform. Okay, Shahira, are you here? My comment for you, you didn't use a very nice scale. Okay, you see some big, some small. Okay, here you see.
Yes, teacher.
2 line is 1, and then another 3 line is 2, and then another 2 line is 1 like that. Aduh, hai. And then tak ada ruler ke? Ruler sudah patah ke? When you sketch, also have to be neat. Okay, all this if the interval is 90, means you use 1 centimeter. Okay, normally 1 centimeter for every 90. Must be uniform. Tak boleh kejap besar, kejap kecil. Okay. Karya, okay
Okay, teacher.
You don't get angry with me Everyone see your answer never mind Okay, same thing you see Okay, so where you mark your point, this point actually is important. Okay, if you are using the table, then you will see. Okay, actually this point is more important. Okay, you are definitely not using the table method law. You are using the transformation method. Okay, means do step by step method. Okay, you see this one you couldn't continue. Maybe you got no time at that moment or what. Okay, we go to the next one. Okay, Wijan. Okay, Wijan, I want to ask, before you start with the table, why you need to write all this period lah, amplitude lah, number of don't know what, number of class then class interval size Is it your tuition teacher teach in this way? Regine, are you here? Ui, Regine go to sleep already Right, answer my questions. Before your table, why you have all this? Why you need to find a period lah, amplitude lah, number of class lah, class interval lah, blah blah blah. Why need so many things? You just need one thing actually for the table if you are using table, just get the 90 divided by the B. You don't have to do all this unless the question asks, okay, what is the amplitude? Okay, what blah blah. Yeah, but the question didn't ask. The question just asked to sketch. Yeah, this one will help you, after you sketch, you double check. But I'm not sure whether wasting time or not lah. Okay, after that you cannot finish other questions. Yes, Wijan. Or you see the book. You follow your our textbook for this way, and do, is it? Ayo, then why you don't want to use my way? My way easier ma. Don't want I don't know why you still have a mistake. 90 is -2. 180 is 0. 120 is somewhere here. 180 is 0. I think you didn't plot more point. This is why you see how you have how many times of 2? 1, 2, 3. 3 times of 2, but you only have 1 time of 2. Okay, this is why you cannot get the full marks. Okay, you didn't show the 3 cycles. Okay, because the B is 3 so you have to complete 3 cycles. How you transform from the table to the graph the table is correct already. Ayo, sayang Okay, look at the number 2. Okay, number 2, I don't know how you follow your textbook and then you couldn't continue. Okay, number 2, I didn't see you were using the table. And then number 3 didn't do. Hi, your pre-test I think better than your post-test I don't know what you're doing When I see your result like that your pants done Okay, next is Ravania. Okay, because you attach so I cannot mark on it so I have to write at the feedback First question you get how many marks, second question you get how many marks, I let know. Okay, and then the image is not sharp. Okay, so you see she follow my method for question number 1. Okay, angular interval. Okay, then get the table and then plot the point and then join the point. You see nicely. Full mark, 3 mark for question number 1. Okay, then come to question number 2 she I think got no time to finish or what, I'm not sure, or she don't know what to do or what. Okay, because table is correct, Okay, it just you know, when you have the asymptote you have to test 1 point before, one point after, whether they are at the positive or negative in infinity, and then you will be able to sketch the graph. Okay, then question 3 you didn't do. Okay, but when I see the way you do question 1 I'm very happy actually. Okay, you can follow my method. Okay, so we go to next. Okay, next is Rosanna. This is question 3. Okay, I think she also didn't use table methods. I think she have her own method. Okay, this question she get full marks, correct? This is question 1. I don't know what method she used. Rosanna, can you say what is this? Look like a table, but why is 40? Why your interval is 40? Your graph is correct, but how you get you from a wrong table, then you get a correct graph, means you are not depending on your table or what? Mistake what mistake? What mistake? I don't know what mistake there. The table mistake then means you are not using your table If no need table also you can get correct already, then why you want to waste the time to make the table? Okay, and then question 2 you didn't try Okay, so we go to next girl. Okay, Sarah. I think Sarah get full marks Okay, you see she used a table methods Okay, this one also she used a table methods. Okay, then the third question, table method still. Then the answer is here. Sarah, next time don't put your answer side by side. Sometimes I didn't realize. Then I thought I would thought you didn't do. You have to put below, one to each another. After this, you have to put it here. Then only I will know. I don't know whether you are able to control it or not. Okay, I go to next. Yes, Shalina. Charlene, what method you are using? Is it also textbook or your tuition? Charlene, no. Textbook okay. Textbook, but you cannot get full marks there. So can you please try to use the table methods? Okay, you see? Ayo, this one sayang lo. This one should be 3. Then full marks already. Okay. You have plus 3 so all shift to 3. Hang. Why Okay, number 3. Okay, this one 2 marks. This one no method at all. You just sketch. You didn't write anything. Okay, next is Shuda. Shuda, what method you are using? Got no table, okay, and then your drawing is okay, and then if they sketch, you don't use graph paper You didn't do number 2, okay? Number 3, also no table, cintai sketch. You see? You didn't label what is this. Ayo, apa macam? Cannot do cintai work. Okay, you see? You didn't label what is this. How to give you mark? Cannot do properly The drawing don't want something like that. The shape also not very nice. Okay, we'll go to next. Okay, Siranya. Again, same thing. Why need period and then why this one? Okay, I think you all follow textbook or what? I say don't follow textbook. Okay, textbook I don't know got something wrong or you want follow can but how to say that? You didn't get correct one Why? Okay, if the class interval size is 30, here should be the interval should be 30, not 90. You are using 90 as the interval.
No,
Then what's the
teacher,
point for you to calculate this?
I do that 30 thingy and then got no time already, so I faster do this 4 points only.
Aloy, why got no time? This is first question Okay, never mind. This one correct. This one already no time already lor. Question number 2, you leave it blank. Then question number 3. You see, at the side you didn't label what is this. You didn't use table at all, this one. Why got no time? You must be work very fast. Okay? If you get the question, you only want to refer to the textbook. What I have to find. What I need to do. Memang tak no time lah. If you get the question, you already know what to do. Okay, you have to get 90 divided by b and then start with the table. Then start the sketching. I think okay lor. 3 questions in 30 minutes. Okay, because after you the table after you fill out a few value you will know agak one, the rest of the value because it repeat Okay Siranya. Okay, next Siti Farah. Look like yes got table, but I don't know how she she get this table. And then pi over 4 is what? Pi over 2 cannot see there. Pi over 2 is 90 degree. No, you had to find the interval. You didn't find interval. This question, the interval should be 30. Okay, that's why you see you only have 1 cycle. Okay, this one you get full marks. This one, yeah, you see? You can get the table correct. Okay, very good. This one also full marks. Okay, this one you get the table correct. Okay, 60 is the interval because 90 divided by 3 over 2. Only this question. I don't know how. Okay, you get the wrong interval. If not, you are getting full marks. Very good. Okay. Next, Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Okay, I can see you find the interval 90 divided by 3 is 30, but I didn't see your table. Okay. So these questions, you have to start from here. 0, 0, the first point. Okay, then do 3 cycles. Okay, then you will get full mark. Okay, I don't know how without the table you can do. Sophia. Okay, this one, I cannot see the 2 cycle. Okay, and then you start at 3, but you start at 0. No table. Apa pun tak ada. Sophia. Sophia here or not?
Yes.
Apa macam? Where is your table? Or you didn't use table method to do? You see this one also no table, okay? The question and then the graph. Huh, Sophia? You're why quiet, Sophia? Okay, we go to next. Sonia's way. Sonia's way, I don't know what you are doing. Why got negative part? Because you see textbook, huh? Okay, I didn't see table also. I don't know how you plot. Maybe from the concept. Okay, you only do one questions. You didn't do another 2 more questions. Hey, this question, I want you all to spot on this question one, you know. If you all don't want to already learn, I don't know how and what else you want to spot. I mean, that you really can do one. Okay, next is Theo. Theo answer is at the. Do I still keep? Okay, never mind lah. We don't go through her answer lah. Wait lah. Let me see. Her answer afterwards lah. Okay. Vanessa have come back here already. Vanessa here or not? Okay, so Vanessa, you are using the but I didn't see your first point, the 0. Okay, so the interval is correct, 30. Okay. Very dangerous if you don't put the 0. You may start with the 2. Okay, and then this is not uniform because here 0 to 2 is 2 so you're using 2 line. I mean 2 line, but 0 to -2 is another 2, but you're using 3 line. Don't want this way. You have to make it uniform. This part I think you got no time to test it or what. Okay, your method is correct already. First you find the interval, then after that your table. But remember the first point which is 0 this table again got no first point. Okay, I think you got no time or what to determine the point after 45 is positive or negative. This is why you didn't draw this part. Okay, sayang, you know this one you can get correct. Then question 3, I think you got no time to do or what Okay, last one is Hanis before we go to Theo 1. Okay, Hanis, she didn't show me the table. Okay, for the first question, she get correct. Okay, second questions, the shape is terbalik. Okay, this one should be coming down. This one should be up here and then coming down. Okay, the shape is terbalik. Okay, other than that, actually is okay. Okay, she definitely not using the table method. Okay, number 3 she didn't do. Yeah, actually number 3 is a very good if you use the table method. The more complicated that you cannot start from the beginning, you do the transformations actually it's better for you to use the table method. If the simple question you think the table method very troublesome then you can use the transformation way lah. Okay. Now I try to call out Xingzi one. What is this should be another one. This one. Correct or not? 3 cos 2x. Eh? Not this one. Ayo, Lingzi, where ah? I didn't return to you ah. I didn't mark ah, but I got but I give you mark mah. I'm back. Question 3.1. Question 3 I did and take picture and send, but I don't know why when you return suddenly my question 3 hilang. Yama, you can send again, Vanessa. Yeah, teacher, you didn't return to me, but just now got marks, right? Lingzi, next time can you do something so that it will show on it on ah? I don't want to download and mark, and then when I return very difficult. I will have to return you at the chat. You remind me, Lingzi, I have to go and see. I think you got marked, but I don't know where is the script. Ayo, this one burning. I have to go back here, and then only go assignment. Okay, return. Ayo, very troublesome. Okay, I have to find for post test. Okay, post test. Okay. Return. Theo, you got mark. You got 9 marks. I write here. Oh, I know already. I think I didn't mark. Okay, I just write question number 1. What is the mark you get? Okay, if you don't know where you lost mark, it's at question number 2 lor. Okay, okay, so now our class end at 2, huh? Okay, now only we want to come back to our textbook. Okay, any question you want to ask or not for your textbook? Okay, what exercise now I give you? 1, 2, 3. This one not yet. 6.7, 6.6. 6.6. Okay, we have a basic identity, 6.6, page 212. Page 212. Okay, this exercise. Right? Any question you want to ask? You all got do or not? Hey, no response. So I should wait or not? No response, I assume no problem. Okay, you all have any problem, then you WhatsApp me. Okay, so this one. Next, we go to 6.7. Proof. Can proof or not? If proof, I think the answer at the back is empty, unless you see the full solution. 6.7. Nothing to have answer one, because proof is from the left to right, right to left. 6.6, 6.7. You cannot find any answer at the back of the book. Yeah, unless you go and see the full solution. Hey, are you still with me? Someone please respond. Are you still with me? Oh,
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Okay, okay. Any question want to ask? No question ah? Oh, I guess it's easy. Oh. Okay, no question. Then I go to today lesson already. Okay, come. I know you're tired lah. This one lagi tired. Okay, additional formula. Double angle formula. Okay, so this is the index for today. Okay, you look at this example. Okay, look at this example. Okay, if you have a sine 30 plus 60, okay, 30 plus 60 is a 90. So sine 90, you press calculator, you get 1. Okay, but if we separate, okay, sine 30 plus sine 60. Okay, we separate and press calculator. So sine 30 is 0.5, sine 60 is 0.866. Okay, 0.5 plus 0.866 is not 1. Okay, this one means your sine 30 plus 60 is not equal to sine 30 plus sine 60. Okay, in this way, you also can say that sine in bracket A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. This is an example, okay, to show that sine bracket A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B, okay, by using, a solid example, okay, a number. Okay, so if sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B, then sine A plus B in bracket is equal to what? Is equal to this. Okay, this one we call it addition formula. Okay, addition formula. Okay, let me see whether this formula is given. Got. Okay, so this one, 16, 7, 18, and 18. Okay, these three, the addition formula. Okay, so we come back here. Sorry. And we come back here. So this is the addition formula. Okay, so you can put a note. If you want to copy, better for you to copy. Okay, then you can put a note, say given. Okay, given in the formula list. Okay, if you want to verify this formula, okay, you use a calculator, same like just now. You can use this method to verify it. Okay, but this verified one, we will just leave it lah. Okay, and then if you want to proof, you can see into this one. But I can tell you, I go through already, very complicated. Okay, that's why I don't want to go through with you. But if you are interested in it, you can go through by yourself. Okay, and then this one, a bit of information for you. Okay, angle in the form of A plus B or A minus B are called addition angle. Angle in the form of 2A, 3A are called as double angle. Okay, they want you to differentiate for this subtopic, why we have this addition formula and double angle formula. Okay, so this is a addition formula, this is the addition angle. Okay, so in the addition formula, you are seeing this type, okay, the addition angle. Okay, and then for double angle formula, okay, double actually meant for 2A long double. Okay, so this one we call it double angle. So after that we have a double angle formula. Okay, means like sine 2A is equal to what, cos 2A is equal to what, tangent 2A is equal to what. That one is double angle formula. So many formula. Okay. And then you see, in the textbook here, in this formula list, okay, you have 6 addition formula. But you compare to the, okay, the formula list that were given in the exam, only 3. Okay, because they combine the A plus B and A minus B. Okay, so you must able to understand what is the meaning of this. This one means if here is plus, you look at the up one. So here is follow plus. Okay, means sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. In minus, then you follow here the minus below one. Okay, you look at the cos. If cos A plus B, the up one is plus here. Here you follow the up one, which is minus. So should be sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. You must understand how to read. Okay, you see tangent A plus B, the up one, you follow here the up one. Tangent A plus tangent B over, okay, here the up one is minus. So 1 minus tangent A, tangent B. If you don't know how to read the formula, then cannot use all. Okay, you cannot solve law unless you memorize it. Who want to memorize it? I don't want to memorize it lah. Okay, you see tangent, okay, A plus B, here is plus, here is minus. Okay, so you compare this 6 with the just now that 3. Okay, make sure you know, okay, the 3 in the formula list, how you use it. Okay, next, find the value of each of following expression using the addition formula. Okay, then check the answer of them with a calculator. Okay, so how to use this? Okay, this is let's say this 63 is the A, then 27 is the B. Okay, this is A and this is B. So you're having sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, so which formula you should use? Ayo, become small. Okay, so sine A cos B is here 16. Sine A cos B plus, okay, cos A sine B. So plus the one on the top up. So this one is equal to sine in bracket A plus B. Okay, this one is equal to sine in bracket A plus B. Okay, so you see sine in bracket A plus B. A is 63, B is 27. Okay, 63 plus 27, 90. Sine 90, you press calculator, you get 1. Okay, so for the B, okay, this is the A and this is the B. So you have a cos A, cos B, plus sine A, sine B. Okay, then you refer to the list. Okay, you are using this 17. Okay, if here is plus, you take the bottom one. Okay, cos, sine. Something wrong. I write wrongly, meh? Sine, cos. The formula list is wrong. Alamak. Wow, nobody notice. How come it got wrong formula list? Apa macam? Cos, and sine. This one, cos, and sine. Just now that one is what? Plus, so this is minus. So the answer is cos A minus B. This is how you use it. Cos A minus B. Okay, so 50 minus 20. Okay, then this is the answer. Okay, I give you a 5-minute break because I have a tutorial and with another class now. Okay, I will come back at 1:35. Okay, Okay, do I miss something? Hello, girls. Why got a chicken here? Region. Why? Just now you all discussed about what? Okay, come back here already. Okay, I have to start share again. Ayo, where? Oh, okay, it's here. Can see or not just now? My 4 Arif, they are doing PBD, okay, because they may do the mock exam online. They may do the exam online, so now we are testing out. I don't know whether you have to do it or not. You have to do the exam online or not. Okay, come for the C. Okay, C same thing lah, huh? Okay, this one. Okay, let's say you said this is A and this is B. So this one will be tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, if you refer to this list, okay, will be number 18. This is minus, so you take the lower one. Okay, so this one should be minus. Okay, here is plus, same, the lower one, so here is minus. Okay, so this one is equal to tangent A minus B. Okay, so tangent 70 minus 10. Okay, so this is how you get used to the you have to use to the you have to use the addition formula to help you to get the answer. Okay, this one is proof. Okay, proof other identity by using addition formula. Okay, again, proof, so left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. Okay, look at the example 21A. Okay, so you will see left hand side more complicated law. Your right hand side is only cos A, okay, so you start from the left hand side. Okay, so you use the addition formula 90 plus A. Okay, so I use this formula. Okay, A plus B. Okay, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, I use this. Okay, this is sin A plus B. This A and this A are different A lah. Okay, sin A cos B plus cos B cos A sin B. Okay, so now matching. Okay, plus actually you can terbalik. Okay, but never mind lah, we follow. Okay, so the A now is a 90 and then the A here is the B. I don't know whether you feel confused or not. Okay, sin A cos B. So sin 90 cos A. Sin 90 cos A. Okay, cos A sin B. Okay, so cos 90 sin A. Okay, cos 90 sin A. Okay, then you press calculator for this and this. Okay, so sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Then you can simplify these terms already, because 0 times anything you get 0. Okay, and anything times 1 you get back the same thing. So you left only cos A. Okay, so it's proven. Okay, this is the one on the right hand side of the equation. Okay, now we look at B. Okay, B the same thing. Right hand side is more simple. So we start from the left hand side. Okay, so same thing, this one and this one. Okay, you can do it separately. Okay, this is A plus B long. We use this. This one is A minus B. Okay, so you use another addition formula. So this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, hey, do you know this topic I like the most of? But mostly the student cannot do this topic. Okay, I start the first one. Okay, sine A plus B, sine A plus B. So I use this formula. Okay, sine A cos B. So sine X cos pi over 6. Sine X cos pi over 6. Plus here. Okay, cos A sine B. Okay, so this is A, this is B. I write here, this is A, this is B. So cos X sine pi over 6. Cos X sine pi over 6. So I have settled for the first term. Continue with minus. So here minus. When you have minus, you have to put bracket. After that, when you open out the bracket, okay, the sign got to change. Okay, now I continue with the second term. Okay, same thing. This one is the A, this one is the B. Okay, so follow this formula. Okay, so sine A cos B. So sine X cos pi over 6. Sine X cos pi over 6. Minus, here is minus, minus cos A sine B. So cos X sine pi over 6. Sine pi over 6. I don't know, how do you feel? Difficult? Easy? Okay, after that, open bracket. So negative, positive, you get negative, 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 you get positive. Okay, and then this. Okay, before that, wait. Salah. Okay, before I want to say press calculator. Sine. Okay, you see this one and this one. Sine X cos pi over 6. Sine X cos pi over 6. One positive, one negative. Okay, so this one 0. Okay, next, this and this. Cos X sine pi over 6. Cos X sine pi over 6. Okay, so these two are the same, double out. So 2 sine X, cos X sine pi over 6. Okay, then sine pi over 6, press calculator, you get half. Okay, then this one can cut. So you left only cos X. Ta-da! Okay, proven. Okay, is the one on the right. Okay, next, use of addition formula. Okay, we're still in the addition formula. Okay, let's look at some example of how to use an addition formula to solve problem involving trigo ratio. Okay, without using a calculator, find the value of the following. This one cannot use calculator. Okay, means you have to show out the step. Okay, you still can actually use a calculator to double check the answer. Okay, but if they say without using calculator, you cannot give this final answer in the decimal because they know already, cannot use calculator. How you can get the answer in decimal? Cannot one. But you have to make use of all this, the spatial angle. Okay, I hope you still remember spatial angle. Okay, so how do we start? 105. Okay, make use of the addition formula. 105. You got to break it into 2. Okay, it's either A plus B, it's not A minus B. Okay, the A and the B that you choose must be the spatial angle. Okay, so here they choose 45 and 60. Okay, these two are the spatial angle. And then 45 plus 60 is 105, 105. Okay, so I use this formula, sine A plus B, sine A cos B, cos A sine B. Okay, so this is the A and this is the B. Okay, so I write out in this way. After that, substitute one by one. Okay, look for sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 over square root 2. Okay, here. Look for cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 over 2. Okay, here. Okay, substitute one by one. Cos 45. Okay, cos 45, 1 over sec 2. 1 over sec 2. Sine 60. Sine 63, sec 3 over 2. Sec 3 over 2. Okay, and then try to simplify it. Okay, how to simplify it? Okay, if you really don't know how to simplify it, cannot. The silver color calculator can give this, but the black color calculator cannot give this. If you press calculator using this one, you straight away press calculator, I think you will get decimal already there. So you will not reach this one. Okay, so no matter how, you got to learn how to simplify this. Okay, I try to show you. Okay, you see the denominator, this and this the same. Okay, so they can share the same common denominator, which is 2 square root 2. Okay, denominator numerator 1 times 1 is as 1 plus, okay, 1 times square root 3 is 1 plus square root 3. This is how they get this. Okay, next, remember, okay, you have learned during Form 4, okay, the denominator cannot have a square root. You must rationalize the, okay, denominator. So how to rationalize the denominator? For this case, times square root 2. Okay, so times square root 2 to the denominator, times square root 2 to the numerator also. Okay, so this one times square root 2. This one times square root 2. Okay, square root 2 times square root 2, square root A times square root A, your answer is A. So square root 2 times square root 2, your answer is 2. So 2 times 2, 4. Okay, then this one, begin. Square root 2, okay, and then square root 3 times 2 is 6. So this is how they get the answer. Okay, actually this one, if you want to leave it this way also can. No need to times in, but here make sure denominator cannot have square root. Okay, so this is the answer. This one also can, this one also can. Okay, we go to B. Okay, how to make use this, the 15, how to make use the spatial angle, okay, to help you to get 15. Okay, here they use 60 minus 45. 60 is spatial angle, 45 also spatial angle. So 60 minus 45 is 15. Okay, so they are using tangent A minus B equals tangent A minus tangent B, 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, so they write in this way. Okay, then same thing, substitute 1 by 1. Tangent 60 is here, square root 3. Okay, minus tangent 45 is 1. Okay, then 1 plus tangent 60 again, square root 3, tangent 45 is 1. Okay, see whatever you can simplify. Okay, 1 times square root 3, you get square root 3. So this one will become square root 3 plus 1, square root 3 minus 1. Okay, so how from here to here? I think they times the conjugate. Okay, same thing, denominator cannot have the square root, so they times with the conjugate. Okay, so the conjugate for this is square root 3 minus 1. Okay, so whatever you do to the denominator, you do the same thing to the numerator. If you forgot already, this one is from 4 one. Okay, better do revision already. Okay, so now how to times 1 by 1. Okay, for denominator, this time this, square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. Okay, this time this, negative, positive, you get negative. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, after that, when you have this time this is negative square root 3, this time this is positive square root 3, so no more. Okay, so denominator is 3 minus 1 for denominator. Okay, I write it here. 3 minus 1 for denominator. Okay, numerator, okay, same thing, 1 by 1. Square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. Okay, this time this, minus square root 3, this time this, minus square root 3. Okay, this time this, negative become positive, and then 1. Okay, so now, you see so fast, they give the final answer. They no need to show the step in between one. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, minus, you see these two terms are the same, so minus 2 of square root 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, after that, you can factor out 2. So 2 minus square root 3 over 2. Cut. This is how you get this answer. Okay, if you all want, please write down this step. Okay, if not, you are thinking, hey, why suddenly this one you can get this? Okay, you can write out this step. Okay. Okay, look at this. I think this one we go to next lesson. Okay, this one today we stop until here. Okay, this one we next lesson only we do. Okay, so today you do these 2 questions only. 1, 2. Okay, but I think not easy lah, huh? Okay, never mind. We can discuss on during our next lesson. Okay, now we have a 1.5 hour already. So we have longer hour. Okay, wait for a while. I want to take attendance.